Hello, I'm Jason, and today I'll be showcasing the future of employee engagement and HR advisory services by providing instant, personalized, and accurate information with the help of Sysfore HR Chatbot. In today's fast-paced work environment, accessing the right information quickly can be a challenge. That is why at Sysfore we developed the generative AI-based HR chatbot using Microsoft Copilot Studio for one of our largest enterprise customers. This intelligent chatbot leverages the generative AI capabilities offered by Copilot Studio to streamline various information and operation by retrieving the various HR policies from the various employee guidebook, manuals, company intranet portal, and many more by indexing the various text-based files such as Word, PDF, etc. and related applications as knowledge sources. Instead of turning through countless documents and websites and portals, with the HR chatbot, employee can access information instantly. Whether it's about leave policies, medical benefits, or reimbursements, the chatbot consolidates these resources, like policy documents, HR details, and company website information, into one central hub. Powered by the advanced natural language processing and GPT-4o for generative AI, users can ask questions naturally and the chatbot retrieves relevant, accurate responses efficiently. This seamless conversational approach simplifies information access, saving time and enhancing productivity.
In Copilot Studio, setting up descriptions and instructions is crucial for guiding how the Copilot functions. Descriptions give the chatbot context by defining specific terms or data, helping it better understand and interpret users' queries. Instructions, on the other hand, direct the Copilot on how to respond, shaping its behavior to ensure it provides accurate and relevant information. Together, these elements are essential for refining the chatbot's ability to deliver precise answers, making it much more effective in addressing users' needs. Another key element in Copilot Studio is the knowledge sources. These are the files, documents, and websites that the Copilot leverages to answer queries. For example, we have configured several knowledge sources for the Sysfore HR chatbot, including employee benefits document, leave policy, employee handbook, code of conduct, holiday list, and many more.
Interacting with the Sysfore HR chatbot is incredibly easy. We have gone ahead and deployed the chatbot within Microsoft Teams. Users can now ask questions in plain language just as they would in a regular conversation. Let's try asking it a few questions. What are the performance evaluation parameters for technical employees? It's understanding the context of the query using natural language processing and is generating an appropriate response. As you can see, the chatbot has returned a well-formatted response of the various performance evaluation parameters. Now let's ask another question. What are the medical benefits provided? Particular query, the chatbot will go and reference the configured medical policies. The chatbot has now understood the user's intent and returned the relevant response. We can ask another question. Any upcoming holidays in November? We send this query out. It is going to look up on the holiday list configured and you can see it has responded back again. It can also handle sensitive matters such as reporting of harassment with respect to organization's guidelines. I want to report harassment. Once I send this message out, it is going to reply to me by asking the consent if I would like to proceed. So I will go ahead and click yes. Once I click yes, it will ask me the description of the incident faced racial slurs by employees. It is again going to ask when did this particular incident occurred. Once I type the date in, it is going to ask where did the incident take place. After which it is going to ask a follow-up question if there are any witnesses to the particular incident. I will go ahead and click no. As you can see, the chatbot has seamlessly understood and processed the user's query using natural language processing, generating accurate and relevant response thanks to its integration with generative AI.
Using the Sysfore HR Chatbot offers several key advantages that can significantly benefit a business. It instantly responds to the user's queries and reduces the time spent searching for information. It increases productivity by freeing up HR teams for more strategic tasks. The chatbot is available 24/7 and can provide support anytime. Due to its fast responses, it enhances employee experience and satisfaction. We hope this gives you a good overview of how the Sysfore HR chatbot works. Thank you.
Sysfore is a global technology consulting company helping customers in their digital transformation journey. We are a specialist Microsoft Gold partner on Azure, Dynamics 365, and Power Platform. Stay tuned for more customer videos, stories from Sysfore.